bite me.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Randolph County in northeastern West Virginia, Pocahontas County in northeastern West Virginia, eastern Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, southern Webster County in northeastern West Virginia until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green Bank to 6 miles southwest of Snowshoe to 7 miles east of Camden-on-Gauley, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour.
Jeez.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Hope the observatory is okay.
Roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marlinton, Cass Scenic Railroad, Green Bank, Webster Springs, Addison Webster Springs, Snowshoe, Meadow, Howard, Durban, Hillsborough, Dunmore, Montville, Arborvale, Bartow, Cranberry Mountain Nature Center, Slady Fort, Minnehaha Springs, Upper Glade, Frost and Boyer.
Oh, too much for the code.
Music for a better workday. Great piece from our health and wellness files. I so believe.
Sunny. Highs in the mid-70s.